Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If you use the Tor browser to download files, you may have noticed that it either automatically saves files to the default download folder or asks you where to save each file. Tor browser allows you to control this behavior with a simple setting called always ask you where to save files. In this video, I will show you a step by step how to enable or disable the always ask you where to save files option in Tor browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. So let's get started. First open Tor browser and then click on the triple line menu in the top right corner. Select settings in the drop down menu. In Tor settings, select general in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to find files and applications section. Here you will find this one option that says always ask you where to save files. If you check this option, Tor browser will ask you to choose a location every time you download a file. If you uncheck this option, files will be saved automatically to the default download folder. Choose the option that best suits your needs. That's it. Now Tor browser will either prompt you for a location before downloading or save files automatically depending on your selection. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.